Have you ever dreamed of a future dominated by artificial intelligence? Where machines can think, learn, and surpass human intellect. But what happens when this dream becomes a nightmare? We face a dangerous abyss. A financial bubble on artificial intelligence ready to burst. Yes, AI is going down the same path as the catastrophic dot-coms of 2000. But what are the real risks of this bubble? And what can we do to protect ourselves? Let's go back to the past and plunge into an era of unprecedented technological euphoria. Companies like Intel, Oracle, nvidia, and AMD were vying for the world's attention, promising stellar profits thanks to AI. But there was something familiar about all this fervor. History is about to repeat itself, but with even more destructive consequences. We are about to witness the bursting of a bubble that threatens to shake the very foundations of AI. The similarities between the AI bubble and the dot-com bubble are staggering. Both are fueled by greed, euphoria, and the illusion of easy profits. But what happens when euphoria crashes against harsh reality? Overvalued companies collapse, investors suffer devastating losses, and the market falters. This time, however, the risk is even greater. AI represents a bet on a future we cannot yet fully understand. The fragility of the AI bubble lies in the lack of a solid base of underlying value. As in the case of dot-coms, current valuations are based on future promises rather than a solid financial foundation. But what happens when the promises do not come true? When inflated valuations deflate? The result is a financial disaster that leaves thousands of investors in darkness. So what can we do to protect ourselves from this impending bubble? The answer lies in awareness and early action. Carefully monitor the markets, make a realistic assessment of the risks, diversify your investments. These are the keys to avoid being trapped in this impending bubble. We cannot afford to be passive spectators of an inevitable explosion. But we must not give in to the idea that AI is destined to be just another bubble bursting. We can learn lessons from the past and exploit the real potential of AI responsibly. It is important to distinguish between companies that are creating concrete value and those that rely only on empty promises. Investing in companies with solid financial foundations, long-term strategies, and innovative products could be the key to avoiding being swept up in the coming storm. And so, we answer the questions we posed at the beginning. Yes, the AI bubble is a real threat, and the similarities to the dot-com crisis of 2000 are disturbing. But we can act to protect ourselves. We can be aware of the risks, make wise investment choices, and not get caught up in the collective hysteria of the markets. Let's not let history repeat itself without a fight. In conclusion, we are at a crossroads. We can remain passive and let the bursting of the AI bubble overwhelm us, or we can act consciously and protect our financial interests. The future of AI hangs in the balance, but it is up to us to make wise and responsible choices. Let's prepare for an impending explosion, but let's not forget that in the chaos lies opportunity. I'm Michael Justice, and this is just the beginning of our journey. Are we ready to challenge history and shape the future of AI? Subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications by clicking on the bell so you don't miss the next episode.